Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 600, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows: the meaning of angel number 600, the spiritual significance. What does it mean for love? What does 600 mean for twin flames? What does it mean for manifestation? How does 600 affect finances? What does it mean for former relationships? How does 600 guide your work life? What are the strengths? What are the weaknesses? And lastly, a summary. Let's now start with the first topic. What's the meaning of angel number 600? Angel number 600 is a powerful message from the divine realm, emphasizing the importance of balance, harmony, and nurturing in your life. The number 6 resonates with home, family, and responsibility, while the double zeros amplify its energies, representing infinite potential and spiritual growth. Seeing 600 repeatedly suggests that your angels are encouraging you to focus on creating a peaceful and harmonious environment, particularly within your home and relationship. It's a reminder to prioritize your loved ones and ensure that your actions align with your higher purpose. This number also signifies that by maintaining a balance between your material and spiritual needs, you'll attract abundance and fulfillment in all areas of life. What's the symbolism of angel number 600? The symbolism of angel number 600 revolves around balance, nurturing, and spiritual alignment. The number 6 symbolizes care, responsibility, and domestic harmony, while the zeros represent the infinite nature of the universe and the potential for spiritual growth. Together, they encourage you to focus on your home life, ensuring that it serves as a foundation for your spiritual journey. This number also symbolizes the need to release material concerns and trust that your needs will be met as you align with your higher self. It's a call to cultivate inner peace and extend that tranquility to your surroundings. What is the angel number 600 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 600 signifies a period of growth and enlightenment. It indicates that you're being guided to deepen your connection with the divine and to trust in the universe's plan for you. This number encourages you to engage in practices that enhance your spiritual awareness, such as meditation, prayer, or mindfulness. By focusing on your spiritual development, you'll find clarity and purpose in your life's journey. Angel number 600 also serves as a reminder that spiritual fulfillment often begins at home, urging you to create a nurturing environment that supports your inner growth. Code Sacred. What does the angel number 600 mean for love? In love, angel number 600 emphasizes the importance of nurturing and maintaining harmony in your relationship. For those in partnerships, it's a reminder to invest time and energy into building a strong, supportive bond with your significant other. Open communication, mutual respect, and shared responsibilities are key themes associated with this number. For singles, angel number 600 suggests that focusing on self-love and creating a stable home environment will attract a compatible partner. Overall, this number encourages you to prioritize emotional connections and to foster relationships that align with your spiritual values. What does angel number 600 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 600 signifies a phase of nurturing and strengthening the spiritual bond between you and your counterpart. It suggests that both individuals are being guided to focus on personal growth and to create a harmonious foundation for their union. This number encourages patience, understanding, and unconditional love, reminding twin flames that their journey is divinely orchestrated. By aligning with the energies of 600, twin flames can overcome challenges and move towards a deeper, more fulfilling connection that serves their shared spiritual purpose. What does angel number 600 mean for manifestation? Angel number 600 is a powerful indicator that your thoughts and intentions are aligning with the universe, making it an auspicious time for manifestation. This number encourages you to focus on your desires, particularly those related to home, family, and personal well-being. By maintaining a positive mindset and trusting in the divine plan, you'll attract the resources and opportunities needed to achieve your goals. Angel number 600 also reminds you to balance your material aspirations with spiritual growth, ensuring that your manifestations serve your highest good and contribute to overall harmony in your life. How does angel number 600 affect finances? In terms of finances, angel number 600 suggests that stability and abundance are within reach, provided you maintain a balanced approach. This number encourages you to focus on your financial responsibilities, particularly those related to your home and family, while also trusting that your needs will be met. It's a reminder to avoid excessive materialism and to prioritize financial decisions that align with your spiritual values. By doing so, you'll create a secure and harmonious financial foundation that supports both your material and spiritual well-being. What does angel number 600 mean for former relationships? Regarding former relationships, angel number 600 serves as a reminder to seek closure and healing. It encourages you to reflect on past experiences, acknowledging the lessons learned and releasing any lingering resentment or pain. This number emphasizes the importance of forgiveness, both for yourself and others, as a means to restore inner peace and open your heart to new connections. By letting go of past emotional baggage, you'll create space for healthier, more fulfilling relationships that align with your current spiritual path. How does angel number 600 guide your work life? In your professional life, angel number 600 highlights the importance of balance and alignment with your personal values. It suggests that while career ambitions are important, they should not come at the expense of your home life or spiritual well-being. This number encourages you to seek work that not only provides financial stability but also resonates with your inner purpose. By creating a harmonious balance between your professional and personal life, you'll experience greater satisfaction and success in your career endeavors. What are the strengths of angel number 600? The strengths of angel number 600 lie in its emphasis on harmony, nurturing, and spiritual alignment. It fosters a strong sense of responsibility towards family and community, encouraging individuals to create supportive and loving environments. This number also promotes balance between material pursuits and spiritual growth, guiding you to make decisions that serve your highest good. By embracing the energies of 600, you cultivate inner peace, resilience, and a deep connection to the divine, which in turn positively influences all aspects of your life. What are the weaknesses of angel number 600? While angel number 600 carries many positive attributes, potential weaknesses include an overemphasis on others' needs at the expense of self-care. Individuals influenced by this number may struggle with setting boundaries, leading to burnout or neglect of personal goals. There's also a risk of becoming overly attached to material stability, which can hinder spiritual growth. To mitigate these weaknesses, it's essential to practice self-awareness, establish healthy boundaries, and ensure that your actions align with both your personal well-being and spiritual aspirations. Angel number 600 is a powerful spiritual message that emphasizes the importance of balance, harmony, and unconditional love, especially in relation to your home life, family, and spiritual well-being. This number combines the nurturing energy of the number 6 with the infinite potential and divine guidance, symbolized by the double zeros. It serves as a reminder from your angels that your material and emotional needs will be met as you focus on what truly matters: your relationships, inner peace, and spiritual purpose. The number 6 represents responsibility, care, and domestic harmony, urging you to prioritize your loved ones and create a supportive environment. The zeros, meanwhile, Amplify this message and signify a fresh spiritual beginning or deepening of your current path. Seeing 600 may suggest that you're being called to heal past emotional wounds, strengthen bonds with family, or realign your goals with your higher self. In love and relationships, angel number 600 encourages nurturing and emotional balance. It supports the idea of unity, mutual support, and stability, whether you're in a romantic partnership, seeking your twin flame, or reflecting on past relationships. Financially, it reminds you not to chase material gains excessively, but to trust that your needs will be provided for if you stay aligned with your core values. This angel number also promotes mindfulness in your career and personal development. It calls for a balanced work-life dynamic and encourages you to pursue work that aligns with your spiritual goals. However, it also cautions against overextending yourself for others or becoming too attached to security and routine. Ultimately, angel number 600 is a call to focus on love, trust, and spiritual growth, knowing that a balanced and harmonious life is not only possible, it's divinely supported.